Is burping a symptom in the perimenopause and menopause? Absolutely. This is a really common symptom, and a lot of women end up experiencing it at some time. It can be due to the hormonal changes affecting the production of stomach acid. So you're not producing enough and the food is just fermenting in the stomach and then finding its own way out. It can be due to stress. Stress will switch your digestion off, causing a lot of symptoms. Eating too quick. Are you eating on the run? Are you eating at your desk? Because that will cause burping. Certain foods as well, such as lots of carbohydrates, can cause this particular problem. So what to do? You can look at bitters, very important. This is a group of herbs that help to improve stomach digestion. Relax when you're eating and sit up and don't eat on the run.